Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to easily book a flight on Emirates. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your personal computer and search for Emirates in the search bar. After that, a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Here, open the second website that appears in the results, and you will be redirected to the Emirates web page. Now, make sure you're in the search flight section. Enter the required details by simply choosing the departure airport and the arrival airport. Next, select the date of travel, whether it is a one-way trip or if the date is flexible. After that, select the number of passengers and the class you prefer. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click on the search button to give it a go. Here, a bunch of flight options will be displayed for you to choose from. You just need to click on your preferred option and select it. Once done, click on the Continue to Passengers button. You will then be prompted to enter some details about yourself. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your booking and secure your flight ticket. So that's basically how you can easily book a flight on Emirates. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.